ஓம் ஸ்ரீ கணேசாய நமக. ஸ்ரீமன்னாராயணியம். ஓம் ஸ்ரீ கிருஷ்ணாய பரபிரம்மணே நமக. தசகம் 34, ஸ்லோகா 8. பிராப்தாயாஹ शूर्पणख्या मदनचलधृतेः अर्थनैः निस्सहात्मा तां सौमित्रौ विसृज्य प्रबलतमरुषा तेन निर्लूननासाम् दृष्ट्वैनां रुष्टचित्तं खरमभिपतितं दूषणं च त्रिमूर्धम् व्याहिंसीराशरानप्ययुतसमधिकां तत्क्षणात् अक्षतोष्मा. Word by word meaning. Akshatoshma Tvam, thou whose powers never know any decline. Akshata, never declining. Ushma, power. Madana chaladhrutehe praptayaha Shurpanakyaha, of Surpanakha, who had approached thee, consumed by passion. Arthanaihi, by the entreaties. Nissahatma, having been annoyed. Tam Saumitrau Visrujya, sending her away to Lakshmana. Prabala Tamarusha Tena, by him Lakshmana, who was extremely angry. Nirluna Nasam Enam, her whose nose was cut off. Drishtva, seeing. Rushta Chittam, Abhipatitam, who had come to attack thee in great anger. Kharam, Dushanam, Trimurdham cha, Khara, Dushana and Trishiras and Ayuta Samadhikan, more than 1,000, 14,000. Asharan api, Rakshasas also. Tat kshanat, then and there. Vyahimsihi, didst destroy. Full meaning. Thou whose power knows no decline, being annoyed by the entreaties of Shurpanakha, who had approached thee, consumed by passion, didst send her off to Lakshmana, who in great anger cut off her nose. Seeing her so disfigured, Khara, Dushana and Trishiras attacked thee in great anger, but thou didst destroy them as well as their Rakshasa followers, numbering more than 10,000 and all at once. Om Tat Sat.